Hello, my dear children. I am L.K. Tripathi. Again with a new video from economics. That is chapter 3rd. Topic is poverty as a challenge. Poverty is curse for the human beings. Dear students, we know very well. Through this chapter, we shall come to know about the challenges of poverty. What type of crisis or difficulty we face from the poverty. This chapter deals with one of the most difficult challenges faced by independent India, poverty. After discussing these multi-dimensional problems through examples, the chapter discusses the way poverty is seen in social sciences. Poverty trends in India and the world are illustrated through the concept of the poverty line. Causes of poverty as well as anti-poverty measures taken by the government are also discussed. The chapter ends with broadening the official concept of poverty into human poverty. This chapter will enable us to know about the poverty. We shall discuss the multidimensional problem. बहुआयामी समस्या, इसके बहुतेरे समस्याएं क्या हैं, and we shall adopt some example from the chapter to discuss the way of poverty. India and the world are illustrated through the concept of the poverty line. Causes of poverty as well as anti-poverty measures taken by the government are also discussed. What are the initiatives and steps have been taken by the government to reduce poverty? Two such things are there, especially the countries of the world are especially by India and the world poverty. Introduction. First of all, let us introduce about the concept of poverty. In our daily life, we come across many people who we think are poor. They could be landless, laborers in villages, or people living in overcrowded jhuggies in cities. They could be daily wage workers at construction sites or child workers in dhabas. Different types of people are there in India. Those who face poverty, like laborers, children working at dhabas, and people engaged in constructing work. These are some concepts of poverty from where they are found. They could also be beggars with children in tatters. Many beggars also can be seen there with children in tatters. Tatters means जो वो वेस्टेज जो होते हैं पॉलीथीन या जा कर के कूड़े उठाते हैं, जहाँ कूड़े इकट्ठा किए जाते हैं शहरों के, वो they are considered as tatters. We see poverty all around us. In fact, every fourth person in India is poor. Per 4 person, 1 person is poor in India. Condition is bad, we can say. This means roughly 270 million, or we can say 27 crore people in India live in poverty. 2011-12. This is data of 2011 and 12. Means more than 27 crores people are living under poverty. This also means that India has the largest single concentration of the poor in the world. This illustrates the seriousness of the challenges. We can say that India is such a single country which concentrates poor in the world. This is the largest single concentration. See how bad condition is it. This illustrates the seriousness of the challenge. Now let us see two typical cases of poverty. अर्बन केस, शहरों की स्थिति देखते हैं। 33 years old राम शरण वर्क्स एज ए डेली वेज लेबरर in a wheat flour mill near Ranchi in Jharkhand. He manages to earn around rupees 1,500 a month. When he finds employment, which is not often, the money is not enough to sustain his family of 6, that includes his wife and 4 children aged between 12 years to 6 months. This is very hilarious condition about Ram Saran. Even he is not capable to sustain his family in such a less amount of salary. Only 1,500 he draws. We can imagine in how much scarcity the person is living there in urban area. So, in spite of everything, this is a big challenge before us to face the problem. And how can we reduce the poverty? We shall discuss in rest of the paragraph. That is, first of all, let us see the case of urban area. We have seen the case of urban areas. Now we shall discuss about the rural areas. What is the condition of rural area? Lakha Singh belongs to a small village near Meerut in Uttar Pradesh. His family does not own any land, so they do odd jobs for the big farmers, work in erratic, and so is income. At times they get paid rupees 50 for a whole day's work, but often it is in kind, like a few kilograms of wheat or dal or even vegetables for toiling in the farm through the day. The family of 8 cannot always manage 2 square meals a day. Lakha lives in a kacha hut or the outskirts of the village. The women of the family spend the day chopping fodder and collecting firewood in the fields. His father, a TB patient, passed away 2 years ago due to lack of medication. His mother now suffers from the same disease and life is slowly ebbing away. Although the village has a primary school, Lakha never went there. He had to start earning when he was 10 years old. New clothes happen once in a few years. Even shop and oil are a luxury for the family. So we can say Lakha, a person of a small village that is located near Meerut, that is in Uttar Pradesh. He has no any land, no job, neither a big farmer. Income is very less. Only he gets 50 rupees for a day, and that is not sufficient even to purchase some bits or food items like vegetable. And he has 8 members family. Anyhow he manages 2 square meals, and that is very hard to manage for him. He lives in Kacha house and also outskirt the village. Women chop the fodder and collect firewoods in the field. His father was a TB patient and he had passed away some years ago because he had no money for his medication. And he, in lack of money, even he could not go to school while the school was located in his village. So we can say how much crisis of poverty is there in India. Lakha is an example only. So many people, as you saw in previous lines, are there, those who suffer from crisis and scarcity of food and such types of things. Rest we shall see tomorrow in the next video with some new points. Till then, thank you.